Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Vasallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to take our home plate flag design that we listed on the website. We have a shirt version, we have a decal version, and then we have a mini version. I'm going to show you how to take this mini version that we were using for cell phone cases and laptops and things like that and turn it into an awesome looking custom hat design for a local travel baseball team or softball, whatever you want. So we have our hat here, and we have a couple different things. I already cut out my different heat transfer vinyl. So I have orange glitter, black glitter, and a white glitter. I'm going to layer them on top of each other on the hat because I think it's going to last fine because I'm not going to be washing this hat all the time. And then we have our rhinestone template here. So I'm going to go ahead and brush in our stones real quick for the rhinestone template here. Just go in large circles. And once we feel like most of those are in, brush them away. You can see every single one of those are in there perfectly already. So now we're going to grab our hot fix tape. We're going to drop that down right on top. Let's grab our stones here because I'm going to do this as a multi-decoration hat. So let's put it back onto our carrier sheet here, and now we have our rhinestone design ready to go as well. Now I'm also going to customize a number on the bill here, and then I'm going to put the team name on the other side of the bill here, all while using our Stoll's Hottronics cap press here. So let's head on over to the press here and get this thing done. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to load the hat on here. So let's get the hat loaded. Let's drop this down. That's going to keep the hat nice and tight. And I just want to make sure it's nice and straight. So you can see I actually left the cardboard inside the hat for right now because it's going to keep that front area nice and smooth to be able to easily press this design. So come down with my quick little pre-press here, and I'm at about 310 degrees. Now, first color I want to do, I have three different colors, my white, my black, and my orange. So again, I'm taking my American flag design but changing it to the team colors. So let's go ahead and drop the white on here first. I'm just going to get this lined up so it's nice and straight. Everything looks good right there. And then I'm going to come down for a quick 2 to 3 second tack press. Good with that. Let's slowly peel that away. Now on some of these others, when I'm layering it, I'm going to want to be a little bit more careful. And what I mean by that is I don't want this design to shift at all. Okay? So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use a piece of my thermal tape. And this is just a heat tape that's made for a heat press. Let's drop that down on top. And again, 1/1000, 2/1000 up. Quick little tack press, and let's go ahead and get this tape off here. Good to go with that. And then I'm going to come back with my third color. Again, grab a piece of my heat tape, and let's drop this in there perfectly. Now everything's lining up perfect because I was only going with the little tack press, that 2 to 3 second press. Had I pressed it for that full time and temperature, it wouldn't line up this good. Last press here, we're going to go for a full 10 seconds. Alright, good to go with that. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Now this could be a completed design as it is right now. You can see how awesome this looks, but now we're going to take it to the next level and we're going to add our stones to it. So I'm just going to trim around this transfer a little bit, make it a little bit smaller just so it doesn't fold at all. And same thing with our heat tape. Throw my heat tape on top just to help hold it down a little bit. And let's go ahead and pull this transfer off. So everything is going to line up good. We did all of this in the software, the TRW Design Wizard, to make sure everything lines up perfectly. That looks amazing right there. And we're going to come down for our full 10 to 12 second press on this one. Again, with the Hottronics Auto Clam, I'm at about 310 degrees here. All right, let's go ahead and pull that up. I can actually release my hat now. And let's take off this transfer here. So as I pull that off there, you can see how awesome this hat looks. So the little press mark there, not going to be a problem. An easy way to get rid of that real quick, you can actually drop your hat right back onto the press. I'm just going to grab a cover sheet here and throw my cover sheet on and just apply some pressure here. And that's going to help pull away just that little heat mark that you saw. So now that we got that, you can just rub that heat mark area. And now you can see we can't see any of those heat marks anymore. So we have our white glitter, our black glitter, our orange glitter, and then stones on top. Now we want to customize this. So to customize this a little bit more, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come over here to my workstation. Don't need my stones right now. And I'm going to do the Sting Select first. So I want to do the white off the start. So I'm going to grab some of my heat tape here. Let's get this lined up nicely right along the bottom of the hat here. We'll go at a little bit of an angle. I'm going to say that looks pretty good there. Same press. And we're just going to come over here and press that down. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, up. Take that off. Heat tape again. Now what the heat tape's doing is it's actually holding it in place so the design doesn't shift at all. It makes it a whole lot easier. So let's grab my design. I'm going to layer my orange glitter on top of my white. Because I did only the 2 to 3 second press right there, you can see everything's lining up perfectly. Come back here, drop down on top, and now I'm going to go for my 8 to 10 seconds. Good with that. Let's go ahead and peel this off. And now we're going to customize the other side, and we're going to throw our custom number 20 there. So grab a little bit more of our heat tape here. Going to start our bottom layer with our number 20 going right across the side right here. Should be easy. And let's go ahead and get that pressed down. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, up. Again, just a quick little tack press so it doesn't shrink at all. And then come back with the orange on top. Throw that right on top there. Perfect. Again, software did all the work to make sure everything was lined up good. Got that perfect there. And we're going to come back down with our finishing press here of our 20, but 8 to 10 seconds on this one. And still at that 310 degrees. Good with that. Grab my corner here, and boom. We got ourselves a complete custom hat here. White glitter, black glitter, orange glitter, stones on top, customized with the team name right there, custom number 20 right there. Pretty amazing. A custom hat like this, we're going to sell for a minimum of $25 to $30 because of the additional customizations. Just single design like this will probably be around $15 to $20, but $25 to $30 as soon as we get into the customization side of it. Our actual cost on this hat, we're looking at about $1 and change for the actual hat right here, depending on where you're getting it from. And then our vinyl and rhinestone cost is going to be about 40 to 60 cents, depending on what you buy your material at. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video on customizing a hat like this with glitter and rhinestones. Again, don't necessarily want to layer glitter on top of glitter and then stones on top of glitter if you're doing it on a garment, because putting it through the wash, laundering it, eventually it's going to start to peel. But on a hat, you're not going to be washing a hat all the time. And if you do, you probably throw it in the dishwasher and you'll be okay with this. So that's why I was able to layer the glitter on glitter and put the stones on top of the glitter as well. So The material I used are Caesar Glitter Heat Transfer Vinyl, our SS10 Hotfix Korean Low Lead Rhinestones. We used the Magic Flock template material to be able to cut the template that we brushed the stones into, and then we used some of our thermal heat tape to be able to hold the design while pressing it on our Hottronics Autoclam cap press right here. So all of these materials and equipment are available on our website at therhinestoneworld.com. But if you want this design right here in the shirt version, the decal version, and the mini version like this right here, you're going to get 80% off just for watching this video. I'm going to put the link right below this video in YouTube. Click on that link. You're going to use the coupon code you see right here for 80% off these 3 designs, and you're going to be able to make some awesome hats and shirts like you see right here. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys have an amazing day. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you guys soon. Later.